Too many times over the years, customers don't know the right strategies to actually purchase a car when it comes to cash. They don't know what to say. They don't know what to do. So in this video, I'm going to share you tips that's going to help you if you're looking to go to that dealership and actually pay cash for that vehicle. So stay with me during this video because this is going to help you save cash when you're looking to buy that new car or that used car. Number one, you got to know cash is no longer king. Back in the day, people walked in the dealership and they said, oh, I'm paying cash for that car. It doesn't matter how much it costs, I'm paying cash. Now cash is no longer king. When you go to a dealership, we don't want you to pay cash. We want you to finance it. Why do we want you to finance that vehicle? Because we make more money when you finance. We can sell you aftermarket products. We can sell you gap. We can sell you warranty. If you're paying cash for it, you're counting your pennies, you're counting your dollars. And if you're financing it, only thing you're concerned about is your payment and your term of your loan. So if your payment is what you can afford or the term is what you want and how long you're gonna finance it, you're good. So no, cash is no longer king. Number two, know how you're gonna pay for your car when you go in. Call ahead. Does the dealership accept personal checks? Can you write a personal check for the car that you want to buy? Or can you put it on your credit card? Or they're gonna charge you a fee for using your credit card? Most dealerships now charge you a fee for using your credit card. Yes, they're charging you a fee for swiping your credit card for paying cash for your car. We are. Why? It's because we are now passing that fee on to you. Even when you go get your hair done, even if you go get your nails done, they charge you. If you pay us over a certain amount to get your nails done, they're charging you. They're charging you every time you swipe. Why? It's because they want you to pay cash. So you know what they're doing now? They're passing that percentage on to you. It says if you're using, maybe when you go in that nail shop, it says we're charging you 2% or we're charging you 1%. Or they might even say 1%. They're going to say $1 or $2. They're going to charge you for swiping your credit card. Why? It's because they want cash. They don't want to pass the fee on to, they don't want the fee passed on to their business because they're a small business. They don't want to pay the fee that you can pay. Now, when you go to the dealership at Joe Longhammer Chevrolet, we charge over $2,500. We charge you a fee. Yes, because we're passing it on to you. So most dealerships charge you a fee, but if you use a debit card, we're not charging you a fee. Most people are not putting cash on a debit card to buy a car. If you're using your credit card, you're going to pay the fee. No matter where you go, you're going to pay a fee. Dealers are no longer willing to eat that fee. And then know that if you're paying cash for a car and you're walking in, you're giving cash, if you pay over $9,999, that amount is going to be reported to the IRS. They're going to be notified that you're paying cash for that car. If you're trying to hide money, there's no hiding when you're paying cash. Why? It's because it's going to be reported to the IRS. You can't get around it. Number one, if you're going to pay cash for a car, do your research. Do your research on your vehicle, the vehicle that you're looking to buy, especially when it comes to a used car. I want to talk about used cars real quick. Check and find out what the car is worth by Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, True Car. Now, these are sites that you can go to on the internet. Hit Google. Go to your computer and get on Google or get on your laptop or get on your cell phone. KelleyBlueBook.com, Edmunds.com, TrueCar.com. Find out what that car is really worth. Because when you come to a dealership, you're paying retail value. Yes, you are. Why? Why are you paying retail value? It's because we got to get that car ready for the car lot. What do we have to do? We have to take the vehicle through service, do an inspection, make sure the tires are intact. We also have to check the brakes. We also have to change the oil. And if anything needs to be done, when we go through our checklist, we actually take care of that. We get it ready for the lot. Then, after it goes through service, what do? Drive it. The car goes to the detail shop. And the detail shop actually washes the car, vacuums your car out, and just gets the car ready for tip-top shape so it can stand tall on our used car lot. So that's what we do. So when you pay that retail value, that's because we have put work into your car. So you never get retail value when you go to a dealership. Number 3, negotiate the price first when you're looking to buy that car. Negotiate. Have your number in your mind that you want to pay for that particular car and negotiate. If you need help in negotiating, I don't have time to help you negotiate, but this is why I do my videos. This is why you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The one you're strolling right now and checking it out. Subscribe so that I can help you. I can help you make better decisions and save you thousands of dollars. Number 4, be prepared to walk away. If that car is not at that price that you want it to be prepared to walk away. But know that you also got to use this tactic. I'm giving you a big nugget to help save you thousands of dollars when you negotiate that price of the car. Know that you can negotiate that price, but maybe there's an incentive where you can actually finance that vehicle. You negotiate the price, that's what you're gonna pay. You say, oh yeah, I'm good, I wanna buy that car for that price. Then you say, what other incentives are there that I can get if I finance that vehicle? Are there incentives? Maybe it is 2.9 or 3.9 or 4.9 or 5.9 for 60 months or 72 months, or it's another rebate because you're financing that vehicle. Know that you may say you walking in, you want to pay cash for that vehicle. If you finance it, you might get a better deal. But remember, you need to ask this question. If I finance this vehicle and I want to pay it off in 2 years, is there a prepayment penalty? Most of the finance companies, I know all the finance companies that we have at Joe Longheimer Chevrolet, they're not charging a prepayment penalty. But you want to ask that question. You may get a better price for financing that car. I slow down a little bit because I want you to listen. You better get a better price if you finance that car, but you got to negotiate that price first. Get the price that you're comfortable with and say, you know what, I want that price that you are charging me for that car, but I want to finance it. Is it any more incentives that I can get available if I finance? Check your figures and make sure that you're comfortable whether you're paying cash or you're financing. And if you watch this video and you're stopping by, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you'll be notified every time I do a video.